The role of marketing, food delivery apps, and local restaurant success. Title: The role of marketing, food delivery apps, and local restaurant success. Introduction. In recent years, the food delivery industry has experienced a significant surge in popularity, thanks to the rapid advancements in technology and changes in consumer behavior. With the rise of food delivery apps, local restaurants have gained a new platform to expand their reach and boost their success. In this article, we will explore the role of marketing in leveraging food delivery apps for the benefit of local restaurants. 1. The emerging trend of food delivery apps. Food delivery apps have revolutionized the way people order food, providing them with convenience, variety, and speed. These apps allow customers to browse menus, place orders, track deliveries, and provide feedback, making the entire process seamless and effortless. 2. Increased exposure and customer base. For local restaurants, joining food delivery apps opens up a world of opportunities. Marketing plays a crucial role in presenting these restaurants to a wider audience and expanding their customer base. Through comprehensive marketing strategies, restaurants can enhance their visibility on these platforms and attract more customers. Optimized menus, appealing food photography, and persuasive descriptions play a vital role in capturing the attention of potential customers browsing through the app. 3. Targeted marketing campaigns. One of the advantages of food delivery apps is the ability to target specific demographics. Marketing on these platforms allows local restaurants to tailor their campaigns to reach the right audience. By analyzing user data and ordering patterns, restaurants can develop personalized marketing campaigns. For example, people in a certain location could be targeted with exclusive offers or promotions, enticing them to order from local restaurants in their vicinity. 4. Online reputation management. In today's digital era, online reputation is everything. Food delivery apps give local restaurants the opportunity to manage their online presence and reputation effectively. Customer reviews and ratings play a crucial role in attracting new customers. Positive reviews can drive more orders and increase customer trust. Marketing efforts should be focused on encouraging customers to provide feedback and spread positive word of mouth, as this helps build a solid reputation for the restaurant. 5. Loyalty programs and customer retention. Marketing strategies can be employed to foster customer loyalty and ensure repeat business. Food delivery apps often offer loyalty programs that reward customers for their continued support. By encouraging customers to sign up for these programs, local restaurants can promote repeat orders and build a loyal customer base. Marketing efforts should be directed towards promoting these loyalty programs through social media, email marketing, and targeted advertisements. 6. Partnering with influencers. Influencer marketing has become a powerful tool in promoting restaurants and food-related businesses. Local restaurants can leverage the popularity of food influencers to increase their visibility and attract more customers through food delivery apps. 7. Data analysis and market insights. Food delivery apps collect vast amounts of data that can be used to gain valuable insights into consumer behavior. Marketing teams can analyze this data to identify trends, preferences, and areas of improvement. By understanding customer preferences, local restaurants can constantly refine their offerings, improve their service, and cater to evolving consumer tastes. This data-driven approach allows them to remain competitive in a highly dynamic industry. 8. Embracing social media. Social media platforms are the perfect complement to food delivery apps and play a vital role in the marketing strategy of local restaurants. Integrating social media channels with a food delivery app profile allows restaurants to engage with customers on a more personal level, strengthen their brand image, and create brand advocates. Regular updates, enticing visuals, and interactive content can help restaurants connect with their audience and increase their following. 9. Collaborative marketing efforts. Collaboration between local restaurants and food delivery apps can lead to mutually beneficial marketing efforts. By partnering with the app provider, restaurants can gain access to the app's existing user base and take advantage of their marketing channels. This can include featured listings, promotional campaigns, and cross-promotion on social media platforms. Working together, both the app and the restaurant can create synergistic marketing campaigns that generate increased awareness and attract more customers. 10. Seamless ordering experience. Marketing also plays a vital role in ensuring a seamless ordering experience for customers on food delivery apps. Clear and user-friendly interfaces, informative product descriptions, and attractive food visuals are all part of an effective marketing strategy. Restaurants should focus on optimizing their online presence on the app, ensuring that the ordering process is smooth and intuitive. By providing a hassle-free experience, restaurants can leave a positive impression on customers, which can lead to repeat orders and recommendations. 11. Customer engagement and feedback. Marketing efforts for local restaurants on food delivery apps should include strategies to engage with customers and gather feedback. Regular communication with customers through in-app notifications, email newsletters, and social media engagement can help build a strong customer relationship. Encouraging customers to share their feedback, both positive and constructive, can provide valuable insights for improving the restaurant's offerings. Responding to feedback promptly and addressing any concerns can demonstrate the restaurant's commitment to customer satisfaction. 12. Promoting local and sustainable options. Food delivery apps can be a platform for promoting local and sustainable options in the restaurant industry. Marketing efforts should highlight local ingredients, farm-to-table initiatives, and environmentally friendly practices.